How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. First of all, open up your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with three-line icon. Once you land on your menu page, scroll down a bit and from the menu section, tap on Groups. Now under this page, you have to select the group where you want to make the anonymous post. For example, I have this group right here. After you open up the group, here if you navigate on the interface, there is a section as Post Anonymously from where you can make any post to this group as an anonymous. So tap on it. And now tap on Got It. Now your profile has been hidden and there is an profile as anonymous participant. Now here you can make your post and type what's on your mind. Once you're done, simply tap on post at the top right. And that's the way to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.